Hey guys, it's Cal from The Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoy this video with some more great landscape lighting tips. To learn more about landscape lighting, go and check out our website at lightingdoctor.ca, or if you want to see what a real quality landscape light should look like, go and check out our Try It Before You Buy It offer, where you can get a premium quality fixture at a discounted rate with your very own battery pack, so you can go and test out how that light's going to look and feel what a real premium quality light should look like. So go and check us out at lightingdoctor.ca, or go watch more videos on YouTube just by searching for The Lighting Doctor. Hey guys, it's Cal from The Lighting Doctor here. We're going to show you how to light up your landscape with the LF Deck and Wall Light from FX Luminaire. This is a great hardscape light that can be used in so many other applications. This is what I call my workhorse light that I love using in so many different areas, but where you'll often see it used and most commonly used is in hardscape walls like this, where people will use these under the cap to just shine some light down on their hardscape features. But this light can be used in so many other areas. We use this often on fences and decks. Rather than going and having lights that stick out of the fence and the deck and shine in your eye, we use this because it's an easy way to hide it under, a 2x4 or a little step, or any area that you don't have a lot of room, but you want to keep the light source concealed, but you still want some light for safety and for some decorative appearance. This is a great light for that. And we have so many videos on YouTube that you can go and check out of different ways that we've used this light, not just in hardscapes, but in softscapes, on fences, decks, walls, so many other applications. By far one of my favorite and most underutilized lights. So go and check out the LF wall and deck light from FX Luminaire. But if you're looking for some more great ways to go and use this light, go and check out our website at lightingdoctor.ca. Get access to our free consultation where you can actually send pictures of your hardscape and your property and your landscape. And we're actually going to send you back some suggestions of where you can best use this light and so many others. So I hope you guys enjoy that and get some good tips, and thanks for watching. So two other lights we're going to use on this project. These again are two of my favorite lights. We're going to be using a LF wall light. This is going to be a nice barbecue area, and they're going to have a nice stone tabletop on here that's actually going to lean over and cover this. So really all you're going to see is the lighting effect on the stonework on the base of this. I like this light because you can tuck it just about anywhere and it totally disappears, and all you really see is the effect. So we've basically got 4 of those around this barbecue area. And then the other light we're going to use is we have a nice pergola that we're going to have some hanging lights that we're going to feature on the top of these. We're only putting 2 because we don't need to light up the whole area. We're just trying to create a nice ambient light. So that's why we've chosen our VE hanging light also for this project. So again, 2 of my favorite lights, and we're going to use them in this project also. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video presentation with some great tips and tools of how to go and properly and effectively light up your landscape. And be sure, if you want your own free consultation video, just send me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca with a few pictures of your property, and we'll get back to you with some really cool ideas and ways to go and effectively light your property. And be sure to watch the videos after this one for more tips on how to install landscape lighting, as well as how to light up your landscape the best way possible.